Hello, I just wanted to make a quick video to help you give you an example for the Khan Academy work for lesson 11, graphing quadratic functions in vertex form. So this is the minor summative, the Khan Academy, and also remember that I have slides and videos as an example for Desmos if you need more help as well. So here we are in Khan Academy, and we are doing graph quadratics in vertex form. Okay, so we can see the first thing we want to do, as always, is find our vertex. Remember that is h and k. So we're going to look right here, x minus 3. This is our h, our horizontal. We're going to go left or right. And remember that we always do the opposite of what we think. So for a negative 3, we're actually going to go to the right 3. So here's our vertex. We'll go right 3. And this 4 does do what we think it should do, and we're going to go up 4. Okay. Now we're going to take a look at our a value, and we can see it's a negative 1. So that already tells us this graph cannot be correct because it needs to be facing down. All right, so let's see how we put our next point. We can go, here is my example in the slides. If you have a negative a value, okay, so remember we always start at the vertex, and then we're going to go right 1, down 1. For our first point, if we were going to make 2 points, we would go right 2, down 4, because 2 squared is 4. So right 1, down 1. Let's go back. So always start at the vertex. Get it over. Okay, right 1, down 1. All right, let's check. And we got it right. Okay, so let's see if we can do one more. All right. Okay, this one is a little bit different. You can see that we have an h value, but we do not have a k. So that just means our k is 0. So for our vertex, this is a plus 6. We're going to do the opposite of what we think. So we're going to move it over here to negative 6. We can see, again, we have a negative a value, but it is standard. There's no number there. So we know this means we're going to go right. Oops, I got to bring our point down here. We're going to go right 1, down 1. Let's check our answer. Okay, let's see if we can find one. Okay, so here is one with a number for a value. It is not standard. We now have a 3. Same procedure. First, find our vertex. So we have a negative 1, which means we're going to the right 1, and then a positive 1 for our k. We're going to go up 1. Now we have a negative 3 as our a value. I'm going to go back and just take a look at my notes and see what happens. There's 2, and here is a, oh, it's even a negative 3, so that helps us. So instead of right 1, down 1, we're now going to go right 1, down 3. And if we were going to do another one, we would go right 2, down 12, because 3 times 4, our standard is 4, 3 times 4 is 12. So we're going to go right 1, down 1, bring our point over here, right 1, down 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we can see that this is our vertical stretch, which is what we should have when we have a whole number. It should be getting skinnier. So let's check. And we got it right. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and stop there, but hopefully this will help you a little bit with your practice. Have a great day.